Electrical Installations and Service, Roxby Downs, South Australia. This is a fantastic opportunity for an electrician seeking their own business with unlimited growth potential. Mossy Electrical Proprietary Limited comes with a spacious freehold property, 4 vehicles, tools, stock and much more. The business covers the far north of South Australia with limited competition and a wide range of services. There's also the option of additional contract work at the nearby mine, which is currently expanding. The property comprises a large block with a 3-bedroom house, double garage, 10 kilowatt solar system, 4-person spa, and so much more. The strong client base includes Boeing Defence Australia, Roxby Downs Council, Sealy International, and Excel Air.